Colorful Cute Kids.
Hello everyone! Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw Marshall from Paw Patrol. It's super easy and fun. Let's get started. First, let's draw his eyes, then add his eyebrows and nose. Now, let's give him a big, happy smile. Next, outline his face and ears. Remember, Marshall is a Dalmatian. Now, let's draw his rescue helmet and his badge necklace. He's starting to look familiar, right? Let's complete his body with his rescue suit and for strong legs. To make our drawing stand out, I'll go over the lines with a black pen. Time to color. I'll start with gray, then add red for his rescue helmet and suit. A little yellow, light brown, pink, and black for details. And finally, his bright blue eyes. And just like that, Marshall is ready to go. Great job! Now, let's draw Everest from Paw Patrol. We'll start with her eyes, then add her cute eyelashes and eyebrow. Next, let's draw her nose and give her a big, friendly smile. Time to outline her face. She's wearing a cozy beanie hat. Let's add her ears and her rescue team badge necklace. Now, we'll draw her warm winter outfit, her legs, and her rescue backpack. Don't forget her fluffy tail. Now, let's bring Everest to life with colors. I'll use yellow and dark green for her hat, light purple for some parts of her face, legs, and tail. Her outfit will be a mix of dark green and orange. And for her badge, I'll use blue and gray. Finally, I'll darken the lines with a black marker, and Everest is all set. Next up, Chase from Paw Patrol. Let's begin with his eyes. While we draw, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to support us. Thank you so much. Now, let's add his nose and smiling mouth. Chase is always cheerful. Time to outline his face and his police hat. His ears are perked up, ready for action. Let's draw his badge necklace, his police suit, and his strong legs. And of course, his backpack and tail. Let's add some colors. I'll start with dark blue for his police hat and suit. Then, a bit of yellow, gray, pink, and brown for his fur and eyes. And just like that, Chase is ready for his next mission. Now, let's draw Skye from Paw Patrol. We'll start with her big, sparkling eyes and her nose. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. Next, let's draw her smiling mouth. Skye looks so happy. Let's outline her face. She's wearing a mask. Now, we'll draw her hair, her beautiful crown, and her outfit. Doesn't she look amazing? Let's add her forelegs and her tail to complete the drawing. Time to color. I'll start with light pink, then add brown for her hair, face, and tail. After outlining everything with a black marker, Skye looks perfect. Now, let's draw Rocky from Paw Patrol. We'll begin with his nose, then draw his mouth, eyes, and eyebrow. Next, let's outline his face and his cool rescue hat. Time to add his ears, his body, and his legs. And of course, his backpack. Rocky never goes anywhere without it. Let's make Rocky colorful. I'll use gray for his fur, green for his hat and suit, and a mix of orange, dark green, and cream for details. Finally, I'll outline everything, and Rocky is ready to go. Now, let's move on to Ryder from Paw Patrol. We'll start with his eyes, nose, and a big, friendly smile. Next, let's draw his ears and his cool hairstyle. Oh, what's that in his hand? A medal. Now, we'll outline his body, his clothes, and his badge. Let's add his legs and his shoes, and Ryder is complete. Now, let's color. I'll use brown for his hair and eyes, then color his outfit with dark blue, yellow, red, and black. His skin will be a soft cream color. After adding some final details, Ryder looks fantastic. Next, let's draw Zuma from Paw Patrol. We'll start with his nose and mouth, then draw his happy eyes. Next, let's outline his face and his hat. Time to add his ears, body, rescue suit, and his backpack. Let's bring Zuma to life with colors. I use black, gray, yellow, orange, and dark blue. His fur is brown, so I'll use a nice warm shade. And there we have it. Zuma is ready for adventure. Now, let's draw Rubble from Paw Patrol. We'll begin with his eyes, his eyebrow, and his nose. Let's add his big, happy smile and outline his face. Now, we'll draw his hat, his ears, and his rescue badge. Time to complete his body, his suit, his legs, and his backpack. Time to color. I'll use gray, black, and bright yellow for his hat, backpack, and suit. His fur will be a mix of dark yellow, brown, and cream. Finally, I'll outline everything, and Rubble is all set. Great job, everyone! If you had fun drawing with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Goodbye.